another week. Still here. Alarm go off before the sun show face. Coffee tastes like I'm running a race. Boots still dusty, shirt still clean. Dreams in my pocket, pocket still lean. Boss say hurry, clock say late. Mind say breathe, heart say wait. I don't love it, but I love what it builds. Every honest hour, every unpaid will. Hands feel heavy, eyes feel weak, but I promise myself I'll finish this week. If I fall, I'll get back on my feet. Cause progress don't come in a single leap. I work whole weeks, still hold my head high. Some days slow, but I still get by. I ain't rich, but my work is clean. I'm building something people haven't seen. I work whole weeks, yeah, it's tough, but giving up was never enough. One step today, one brick I lay. That's how tomorrow gets made. Paycheck small, but my pride stay tall. I don't cut corners, I don't stall. I've seen shortcuts fade too fast. I'd rather build something meant to last. Phone keep buzzing, bills keep calling, but my faith ain't done, my plans ain't falling. I take the long road, I keep it straight, even when the door says please just wait. Hands feel heavy, eyes feel weak, but I promise myself I'd finish this week. If I fall, I get back on my feet. Cause progress don't come in a single hour. I work whole weeks, still hold my head high. Some days slow, but I still get by. I ain't rich, but my work is clean. I'm building something people haven't seen. I work whole weeks, yeah, it's tough, but giving up was never enough. One step today, one brick I lay. That's how tomorrow gets made. To anyone tired on the late bus home, to anyone feeling this road alone, your effort counts even when it's unseen. Small steps still build big dreams. I work